Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap here we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit to the useful features category, and here we have location tags option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button from the right we can turn it off or turn it on like that as we need. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet. For example with the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning it on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to this button. When we tap here we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our photo. To check its location we have to just simply slide down, and here we have access to the map with the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.